Today, I will show you how to create a professional sports poster using ChatGPT and Gemini AI. As you can see, here is our team logo and here is the information we will use to create our poster. Copy all the poster information. Now open ChatGPT. Paste the information and send it. ChatGPT will generate a details AI image generation prompt based on your event detail. Simply copy the poster prompt. Next, start a new chat and upload your team logo. Paste the prompt and send it. ChatGPT create a professional sports poster based on your team logo and event information. But let's see how another AI handle the same prompt. Open Gemini, upload the same logo, paste the exact same prompt and generate the image. And Gemini create a professional sports poster as well. Thanks for watching.